Yes. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, come here.
My question is, does somebody, do I have a gift without knowing that I have it? Could I have a gift without knowing that I have it?
Which gift?
In my school, one day there were people coming to pray. So I went into that group. So one woman just touched me and said, Sister Agnes, could you use your hand to do the work God creates for you? I said, what is it? He said, healing people. I said, I have never healed anybody. So that's why I said, do you have a gift without knowing that you have it?
You will know what you have by looking into the scripture. Example, just give Mark 16, 17. Please read this.
And these signs shall follow them that believe. In my name shall they cast out devils.
Now pause. Did he say those who believe?
Yeah.
Now, when you're walking, can you stop that shadow from following you? The shadow.
No, I can't.
Because the shadow will follow you.
Yeah.
Because you're walking in the light.
Yeah.
What about in the dark?
No, it will not come.
It will not come.
No.
In the same way, when you're believing, you can't stop these signs. They will follow you. So when you're believing in the gospel, casting out demons is your birthright. Put the next line. Read the last line. They shall lay hands.
They shall lay hands on the sick and they shall recover.
So is it a gift?
Yeah.
Or is it your birthright?
But it is still a gift from the Lord, isn't it?
He said this is for everybody. Yes, it's a gift, but this is for everybody.
All right.
Did he say all those who believe when they lay hands on the sick, they shall recover?
Yeah.
So what is so special? He has given it to everybody, but not everybody are believing.
But I believe in Jesus.
You believe in Jesus, then are you believing in that scripture?
Oh, yeah.
So why are you asking? Then go and do the job.
Thank you.
So when you say you are believing, you are saying, because it is written over there, and I believe, then I will walk now and lay hands on the sick, because Jesus told me that it is so.